Stoicism in a family setting can help create a harmonious and resilient environment. Here are some practical ways to apply Stoic principles with your family. Focus on what you can control. Recognize that you can't control your family members' actions or emotions, but you can control your own responses. This helps in maintaining calm and reducing conflicts. Practice empathy and understanding. Try to understand the perspectives and feelings of your family members. This fosters a supportive and compassionate atmosphere. Set clear boundaries and expectations. Communicate your expectations clearly and set boundaries. This helps in creating a sense of security and accountability within the family. Model virtue and resilience. Demonstrate virtues like patience, kindness, and self control. Your behavior can inspire your family members to adopt similar attitudes. Encourage open communication. Create an environment where everyone feels comfortable expressing their thoughts and feelings. This can help in resolving issues more effectively. Teach resilience. Help your children understand that challenges are a part of life and teach them how to cope with disappointments and setbacks. Practice mindfulness. Encourage mindfulness practices to help family members stay present and manage stress better. By integrating these Stoic principles, you can cultivate a more peaceful and resilient family dynamic. How do you think these strategies might work with your family?